let's go shoot some motovlog. Baby. Oh fuck, battery is low. Got to go charge the device first and we'll be back. Got the device all charged up and let's get to the vlog. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel and yeah, it's been a while. I haven't uploaded any moto vlog but summer tha yaar, chalta hai itna. So as you can see, it's really hot. It's monsoon and it was raining heavily yesterday. And today it's all and hot and humid again. So let me check if what's the temperature. See, it's 32 and feels like 39. So in this vlog I want to talk about few points, to help you guys stay fit and keep your bike maintained in this monsoon season, because every biker loves monsoon and they wait whole year just to ride in rain and explore few places where it's all greenery and waterfall, and it's so adventurous, riding in rain. And a bit of risky, but yeah, adrenaline, that's what our mind needs, and especially the riders, So without wasting any time, let's get to the points. These points are going to be random in no particular order, so just enjoy and follow, of course. Okay, so point number 1. First let's cover the bike, then we'll cover the rider. I mean literally just cover your bike. Get a good quality rain cover for your bike and cover it, man. Just you don't want any water going into the electrical parts of your bike and damaging. And worst case scenario, if you got any exposed wire of any aftermarket electric wiring you have done for your lights or your horn or anything, so you don't want water going into that part, because water slips everywhere. You can't stop water even if you are outside and you are not carrying your raincoat for your bike. Just find some shelter to park your bike. Don't just left her open in the wild, because it looks cool but you should not do it as often. And yeah, that's the first point. So point number 2, rain, water, iron, metal, corrosion, yeah, it happens. So what we can do is, if we got any metal parts exposed, like this one, I will show this in detail. So what we can do is, you can apply an anti-rust coating or Teflon if you prefer that, or just simply paint it, man. If you got an old part like this one, so I hope you can see, yeah. So if you do paint it or do anti-rust coating, it won't rust and damage your part any further, because rainy season is quite long and it will be exposed to all the moist air, and that can do some serious damage to your body parts. Not your body parts, but body parts of your bike, So you don't want doing that. Point number 3, you know, it's a very important point, because that's the first part which keeps you and your bike connected to your roads, you know, these beautiful lovely roads. But बारिश में क्या होता है ना कि गाड़ी फिसल जाती है, so you need to check your tires, and if you think they need a replacement, do replace it. Don't wait any longer to भाई कि मतलब ये सीज़न निकाल लूँगा, because rainy season can be a very you know dangerous season for a rider, because यार on this such kind of roads, cement roads पे तो यार बहुत ज़्यादा बाइक फिसल जाती है, तो you don't want you know sleeping on the road, because if you sleep you can sleep forever. So I don't want anyone sleeping in such a way, because we love and care for every rider, you know, whether he's riding this CD100 or R15. So yeah, do check your tires and keep the air pressure maintained, because you know often we neglect air pressure, because यार अपने टायर्स में तो कुछ होता नहीं है generally. So we often neglect, and until it gets punctured we don't go to the, you know, check the air pressure of the tires. But in rainy season follow the guidelines given by the manufacturer or your tire manufacturer especially, and use that particular pressure in the front and the rear tires, so it won't be skidding on this kind of road, and you will get a better grip. And if your tire is worn out and it's probably 1 or 2 or 3 years old, just replace it, man. Even if it's standing, it can get cracked due to you know changing temperatures, like it was summer and now it's suddenly rainy season and winter season. If it has not been used, it can be you know, it can get cracked, and that's not a good thing. So just have a look at the tire and decide whatever you want. But yeah, take care of your tire, and first thing in the morning you should do every day is to look at your tires, you know. That's a pro tip. So point number 4, cleaning. You should clean your chain more frequently. You should clean your air filter more frequently in rain season. And here's why.
Why?
You should clean your chain regularly in rainy season, because if it's standing for a couple of days it gets rusted, like I had with my bike. But the second thing is it gets you know all kind of dirt attached to it in rainy season, and you don't want that on your chain, so you need to clean more frequently and keep it lubricated. Don't just use any kind of oil, but you know, use quality lubricants like Motul, you know, that's good. I will have that linked in the description. Do check that out. And the second thing is you need to clean your air filter, because just in the previous points I told you that rainy season is you know, is all about moisture. So moisture attaches to your air filter, and it can just block the you know, air going into your engine, and that can cause some jerky movement, and it won't keep your bike running as smoothly as before. So you need to look after that air filter is quite clean, and air can pass through it quite nicely, so you can have fun, you know. Just clean it, man, clean it. So point number 5, this is the most important point you should be looking for. You should always you know, have a close eye on the life of your brake pads, or a brake runner if you don't have a disc brake. But you should always keep the brakes in mind, because that is going to save your life, man. And generally in rainy season what happens, as you can see, there is a lot of dust in the air, and it can go into that brake what do we call it, the brake calipers, and it can just jam that thing, and you won't be able to apply the brake properly. So do check all the stuff, because these are the small stuff you can do, and that can save your life eventually. This is the big word, but accident do happens, and you can prevent it just by the small things, you know. So yeah, that's it for the bike part. Let's get to the riders. So now let's talk about the rider. It's all about you, man, keeping you safe. And every riders love riding in the rain, but you need to keep some points in mind for you. First, even if it's raining, you need to be, fully geared up. You need helmet, you need jacket, you need gloves, you need knee pads and boots and whatnot. And if you can purchase some waterproof stuff, just like waterproof jackets and gloves, so that will be plus point for you. And you need all this stuff, because rainy season में क्या होता है ना कि मतलब you can get all kind of illness, and you don't want to fall sick when you are on a ride. You don't want to get cold or a fever or cough or any other kind of illness. So take care of yourself as you take care of your bike, so you both can happily ride and have fun. So that's the simple thing, man, and I do that, and I will hope that you guys also will follow. And I don't like this thing about rainy season. It's all muddy. And so if you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you are new here, do consider subscribing. So yeah, that's it guys. Have fun, ride safe in the monsoon. Enjoy.